completely honest, I haven't really been doing anything to care for myself. I mean,
look at me.
Eyebrows, whack. Hair, whack. Don't get me started on anything else. You know it's gonna be whack. So rather than sit around in my crusty robe that I got from Aldi and organize my room, I decided I'm gonna organize myself. I'm gonna organize my appearance by giving myself a hot bitch makeover. Because I am the most important thing in my life, and if I don't take care of my appearance, everyone's gonna treat me like I'm a whack ass bitch. First things first, for this hot girl makeover, I got this. This is a detox. I chose the rose detox because it was on clearance, and some chick that I met, she like insisted this is the best one on the market. So I'm like, okay, what's the worst that could happen? Well,
Let me tell you.
I've had explosive diarrhea since day one, but that's okay though, because we love a good colon cleanse, because
We are a very regular and vegan household, now aren't we?
for the first part of my major life-changing appearance thing though, we need to fix these eyebrows. They are absolute trash. If you say they look good,
Well, honey,
stay away from my dad and get yourself some new glasses, because that prescription ain't working for you. Forget me being away from the love of my life, or that storage unit fire that was a part of destroying nearly everything I owned, or working 24/7 for some unsustainable crap job that I really wasn't that passionate about. My eyebrows are the biggest tragedy that happened in 2018. Do you like my glasses? They're real Gucci. Now on to the next move. Hair. My hair. My hair. Where do I even start with the monstrosity that has been placed on my head? It's shapeless. It's ratchet. The ends are more dry, dead, and crispy than my sex life. I have not gotten a trim since who knows when. I'm thinking of going for a Tegan and Sarah love you to death sort of look, because it's like long enough to grow out, but lesbian enough so that maybe a cute girl will talk to me. Okay, now to dyeing, like hair. So, I have grays.
pray for me.
I can only find henna hair dye that was guaranteed to cover grays in light brown. I guess God just wants me to look like a shithead. This is the result of using henna hair dye. I am surprised it's so dark.
Hello, 2019. Raw.
For the next part, I have ear candles. I was told that I should use them, even though I never used them before, but people keep insisting that they work, so hey, why not try it? To be honest, I really don't have the cleanest ears in the world. You should see my headphones after I use them.
Daddy.
I have 3 at $2.50 a pop. I did not feel financially stable enough to obtain 4 candles. Is having clean ears really that necessary in life? Here are my 3 candles that are more burnt out than me. One of my old coworkers told me to cut them open and see what it looks like on the inside and see all the stuff that you sucked out of your ears. Let's do that now. It's now time for the biggest obstacle yet in this hot bitch transformation on a budget video. My bush. But first, let me drink some love. Here goes nothing.